How to save your login info on Roblox. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your Roblox application. After that, wait for the application to load, and once the application is loaded and you are in this interface, simply tap on this more icon from your bottom right corner. Now go to quick sign in. Now what you will have to do is enter code from other device and then enter it. Now make sure you are using the correct code. You can also go to profile and then save your login info. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.